Write the standard form of the equation of the line described through -2, 4, and parallel to y equals -3 over 2x plus 3. So I have information about a point, which I'll label x sub 1, y sub 1, and I can find out that if a line is parallel to that guy, this guy and that guy are going to have the same slope. So why don't we do point slope form and use that to turn that into standard form. So point slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. If something is parallel, that means they share the same slope. So my m is -3 over 2. I have u labeled. So y minus 4 equals -3 over 2 x minus -2. So we have a double negative here. Let's make it positive. And now it's a matter of making this standard form. Standard form is ax plus by equals c, no fractions allowed. So what I'll do is I guess I'll multiply everything by not everything, but the right side distribute -3 over 2, so the left side doesn't change. The right side is -3 over 2x, and then -3 over 2 times positive 2 is going to be -3. Now again, fractions are bad. So what I can do right now is I can multiply everything by 2, and that'll eliminate the 2 denominator right there. Okay, so this becomes 2y minus 8. This becomes 2 times -3 over 2 is going to be -3. X comes along for the ride. -3 times 2 is -6. So in really no particular order, I have to move -3x to the left and a -8 to the right. So let's add 8 to both sides, cross you out. Let's rewrite you up here where I have a little bit more space. So 2y, okay, 2y equals -3x, and then -6 plus 8 is 2. My last step is to add 3x to both sides, like so. 3x and 2y don't combine, so 3x plus 2y equals 2. So now that's in the form of x plus by equals c, no fractions, x and y are on the left, numbers on the right, everybody wins.